Okay, well, we almost made it, and we broke down. Blew a belt. Should have known to grab a spare belt, but I didn't. I have not had a belt issue in this car the entirety of its life, but every single time my wife gets in the car, I blow a belt. Do you have anything to say about that, Jen?
Sorry.
Well, she got nothing to say, but I'm not king. So luckily we got Mike with. He's gonna drive me to the nearest auto parts store, and we're gonna grab a belt. Hopefully they got one. It's a pretty standard belt, I think. So we'll see what happens. Luckily for us, they got a belt in stock. We got a belt in stock and we got jumper cables. So we're on our way back to the car. We're gonna get this thing figured out, get the belt replaced. It'll be awesome. We'll be on our way to the show. You're in charge.
We heated the tranny up a little bit too with all the stop and go.
It's like it unwound itself and then wound up on the alternator.
Better that than the front main.
It smells.
It's trans fluid.
Oh, that's your car.
Yeah, all the stop and go. The converter got hot. What's up?
On that side. Getting this on, Rick. Get in here.
Yeah.
Closer. Come on. Look at this. Freaking belt just wound up on there. There you go.
Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. Don't shake your head.
Look at this thing. Cameraman. Look at this thing. Not good. Not good. Keep that.
It's an airplane.
It's the right belt.
Yeah.
If not, we're waiting an hour.
Oh yeah. She's a camera woman.
Now you just gotta get it installed.
Yep. I've done this before on the side of the road.
Really?
Yeah, I got practice. Last time Jen rode in the car, we freaked the belt. For some reason, I don't know what it is. Might take a peek at it.
Oh, okay. Here, right.
Let all the heat out.
I'll let you take a peek over there. Film it.
The old rescue mission may have a little bit of a leaky trans problem. Turns out big converters and stop and go aren't the greatest.
Not the greatest. Take me here.
Yes, right
Jen, come here.
there. Oh, to help.
Just put this right here.
You burned yourself the last time we did
Oh
this,
yeah,
too.
yeah.
We got some ice cold water if you need some.
I'm gonna do that as a last resort
Alright.
because I'm gonna be laying on the ground here in 2 seconds. Okay, so we got that. It's on. That is on. Okay, do not move that because you're going in. Going in. It's happening. Stuff is happening. So close. So close. Okay, you're out of here, Jen. Why don't you take over the camera duty?
Front part of the ribs or the back part on the front side? I've got it on the crank.
Thank you. Just gotta get past the alternator. So close. 80%. 80%. We're 90%. 95. You on?
Yep, I'm on.
Oh, that was so much faster than the last time.
What's up?
Luckily, that's not live. But I did record the short while sitting in the car.
Give it a visual.
Alright, sounds good. Alright.
I've only suffered minor burns. It's on. It's on.
Now
It's
what?
on, It's on. This is working out way better than it did last time. I think last time I broke down, I had to change the belt. It was a 2-hour deal. Because, you know, experience, right? We got the experience. So I'm a little burnt up, but I'm okay. So we're going to fire her up and see if it starts. We're out of here, baby!
You must have registered before us.
Oh yeah. So we made it to the show. We went through an alternator belt. Not the end of the world. Took about an hour. Luckily, Waska was able to help us out. Went on to Bourbon over to the local auto parts store. They had it in stock. It was amazing. So we're here. Jen's filming. I'm filming. We're taking it all in. So we're gonna go finish up our registration and get into the show. Well, what do you think, Mike?
Ready to drop some panties.
All right. Hey, I think we go that way. I don't know. I don't know.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Don't shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
Jen says there's a guy over here that's wearing the exact same shirt as me. We're gonna go find out. We're gonna go find out right now.
I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say
Not
nothing.
even close. Not even close. These are one of a kind.
Alright, there you have it. 1,082. 1,082.
up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.
It's so awesome.